Thomas, what's your name?
Kingsley.
Kingsley, nice to meet you, Kingsley. I'm Thomas. I'm just going to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
And then you can just answer them however you want to.
Okay.
Because you've been going to Shichida for a long time, right?
It's 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
So, how old are you now?
7.
So you've been going since you were 1?
Yeah.
What's the most exciting activity you've done at Shichida?
Right now in my grade 2 class there's no mazes, but I like the maze because it's fun and entertaining.
Which maze is it?
Like every single maze.
Every single maze, okay. Do you think Shichida's helped you with your math?
Yeah.
Do you think Shichida's helped you with your writing?
Yeah.
Yeah? With your memory?
Yeah.
Shichida just helps you with everything, right?
Shichida has helped me like change my mind about something because when I used to want to be a doctor in the future, but now I want to be a scientist in the future because of the science experiments. I saw how cool the science experiments was and I changed my mind.
What type of scientist would you want to be?
Oh, like discovering everything and inventing everything.
Okay, that's exciting. So you want to be a scientist because of Shichida?
Yeah.
That's really special, Kingsley. I think you'd be a great scientist as well, by the way. I think you could do anything you put your mind to because you're a very smart little boy. If you were meeting like a friend at school and they're younger than you and they've never done Shichida before, would you say your friend would enjoy Shichida classes?
I'd say they would enjoy Shichida classes because Shichida gives you exciting questions and the teacher's always there to help you out when you get stuck on really hard questions.
And Shichida has the songs, which is fun. Do you sing along with the songs?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Are you a good singer, Kingsley?
No, not really, but I like dancing in front of my parents.
Are you a good dancer?
No, I don't copy natural moves, but I can dance pretty fast.
How fast can you dance?
So, like, I'll just show you with my hand. So I do the movements like this, that fast.
Wait, how fast? Like this? Or faster?
A little bit slower than that.
Slower? Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay. See, I'm going to take your dance moves and I'm going to use them. Thank you, Kingsley. I appreciate you sharing your dance moves. Do you think Megumi, your teacher, has inspired you or helped you become a young, confident little man like you are?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Like in the math and science experiments.
And she's helped you?
Yeah. And now I'm so confident, I feel like in every lesson I don't need the Megumi helping me.
Oh, okay. So you feel like you can do it by yourself now and Megumi's helped you. Now it's time for more fun questions. Kingsley, very important question. What's your favorite animal?
And why?
And why? Yes.
My favorite animal is a dolphin because they're cute, they're intelligent, and they're a marine animal. And also I really like dolphins because some people think they can rescue humans.
Oh, okay. Have you ever seen a dolphin? Have you touched a dolphin?
Yeah. They can be wet and slimy.
Where did you touch it? At SeaWorld or?
Somewhere, like, I forgot, but probably in China aquariums or somewhere.
Oh, cool. And you got to touch it?
Yeah.
What about movies? What's your favorite movie and why, Kingsley? I know you're excited for this question.
I don't have no favorite movie.
What do you mean?
Because I don't like movies, honestly.
You don't like movies?
Yeah.
Have you seen movies?
Of course I have.
Okay, then why don't you like them?
Because it's like too real.
Too real? What movies are you watching?
The only movies I remember watching are like the Super Mario Bros.
Okay. And
It's like really real, and some of those are like really scary.
Oh, so when you're in the movie theater, you feel like you're in the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.